To activate the Link Pro carbon monoxide alarm, simply turn it over, and then the included battery has a little pull tab here. If you remove the pull tab, that will initiate the alarm. You'll know you did it correctly as it calibrates itself. You can see right here, it is flashing yellow, green, and red, and we had a nice LED backlight there. We can test this simply by pressing that. You could see by bringing this closer, right up there is battery level, CO, and then parts per million. Right now you can see it is 0, so we are okay. The Link Pro carbon monoxide alarm is also compatible with the X-Sense application, but you will need to have a base station from X-Sense sold separately or as part of another product range that they have. But in order to add this to the base station, you will have the X-Sense app. You will open it up. You will select the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner, come down to carbon monoxide alarms, and then here we have Pro CO2 alarm working with the particular base station that I have, or you have working with standalone Wi-Fi. We're going to select with the base station. In this case, I will first need to upgrade my base station's firmware. Now that our firmware has been updated, I can select CO alarm, name, and it's just going to say carbon monoxide. I'm going to leave it as that is. I'm going to leave it as such. I can select its location, or I can customize the location, which will give me a lot more options. In my case, I am going to have it in the utility room. I'm going to select next. Here we've already removed the back panel and the tab, so the batteries are in place. What we're going to do now is we are going to tap the test button twice very quickly, and then this is going to flash green. So it's now flashing green. You heard that chirp. I'm going to select next.
Ready to add a device.
The base station says it's ready to add it.
Device added.
Add a device, and that chirped very loudly. So the decibel rating on this is really loud. We're going to select finish. If we wanted to, we could add other devices. We don't have any others, so we're just going to say done. And here we go. It shows us right here the carbon monoxide detector and the current level.